How to install a contactless encoder in the Fargo DTC5500LMX card printer. Turn off the printer using the front button. Remove the power cord from the back of the printer. Remove the ribbon cartridge. Next, tilt the printer onto its back. Open the reject hopper cover. Note the 3 screws that need to be removed in the next step. Remove the 3 screws as shown. Lift the front cover and disconnect the display cable. Close the reject hopper cover and lift the printer onto its base. Now remove the following 10 screws from the back of the printer. Remove the 10 screws using a Torx T10 screwdriver. The encoder kit contains the following items. Remove the following connector from the printer main board. Remove the screw from the main board using the Torx key provided with the kit. Fit the USB board to the main board with the provided long screw. Slide the I-Class MyFair encoder into the right-hand bay as shown. Push the encoder fully home for a solid contact with the main board. Route the encoder cable towards the back of the printer. Use any one of the 3 USB connectors to connect the encoder cable. Slide the back panel onto the printer by inserting the 2 left-hand screw tabs into the corresponding slots. Secure the plate middle screw first. Tilt the printer onto its back to fit the front LCD cover. Attach the LCD cover by inserting the 3 tabs into the printer slots as shown. Connect the LCD cable. Open the reject hopper door to close the LCD panel. Replace the 3 screws as shown. Lift the printer back onto its base. Install the ribbon cartridge. The upgrade procedure is now complete.